morning. Today, ito na naman tayo sa today. So ngayong araw, it's my birthday! Yan, daan kung saan. Kukunin na ako ng liwanag. Pinupuntahan ko na yung liwanag. This is office.
Thank you.
Morning. Oh yeah! I'm with my colleague.
Happy birthday!
Yes. Oh, thank you. Let's go.
That's cool.
Let's go. We're going to IBN Batuta. The order.
Who's Atika?
Ate Karen.
Atika.
Yeah.
Ate Karen.
No, Ate Karen. Oh well.
Support?
Ate Karen is from the service. Ate Karen.
Ate Karen.
Karen.
Oh, Karen.
Yeah, maybe we can meet here. Is that okay? Yeah. So I'm talking a bit much today because we're on a vlog.
Hello.
I'm a ambitiosang vlogger. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. But where is Shay? As we are waiting for someone. Manang Bitiong, where are you? We are here in the metro already. Baka nabati na tayo di bus. Char. But I'll stop over by tayo. Chay, Santa Fe. Charot. No, it's not Ate Karen. It's someone who I know from our village. Oh, village. Kung ko naman, lang nga puro ko village.
Where's she?
We'll wait for her on Nakhil. So, ada your oray ko! I got a gift. May gantang birthday niya. Dati maala ng regalo. Ay napang kape agpasyar. Yes. Okay, tat this side. Let's go. Hindi po. Thank you. Damdamagan na no. Abu Dhabi ka no. We're here. So, ni manang milati start vlog ko tata. No, it's okay. I want you to be part of the vlog. Yeah, let's go.
Birthday girl.
Let's go. At ang bubungad sa amin ay food cart. Okay. Yan na siya. Hindi siya gutom. Pero kakain na daw kami. Thank you. Sarap pala mag-birthday dito. Eat. Try the bangus then. You will like it. This food is libre ni manang Mila. OMG. Sana birthday ko ulit bukas. Char! Oh, thank you so much. Nagugulat siya. Now that we're done eating, let's go shopping. Kuryente ka dyan. like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Tap mo mamamuan nyo ano, the barbaro nga chase maze. Okay, goodbye.